Thought AI would take my job. I was scared. I watched the headlines roll in. Writers replaced. Designers replaced. Developers replaced. And I thought, that's it. I'm done. But here's what actually happened. AI didn't replace me. It amplified me. It made me faster, sharper. And, unexpectedly, it made me rich. In the next 40 minutes, I'll show you how I went from fear to freedom. Using nothing but AI tools, a laptop, and some bold decisions. This is not a tutorial. This is a true story. My story. And by the end, it might just be yours too. Let's rewind to where it all began. A job, a layoff scare, and a growing obsession with ChatGPT. The moment AI arrived, I knew I had to pivot fast. So I did. Chapter 1, From Fear to Obsession. I worked as a content creator. Blogs, scripts, product copy. When ChatGPT launched, clients started asking questions. Can't AI do this cheaper? I laughed it off. Until contracts started drying up. The fear was real. I saw AI generate entire blog posts in seconds. It wrote better hooks than I did. It didn't sleep. Didn't get tired. I panicked. But instead of fighting it, I opened my laptop and dove in. I started using ChatGPT like a partner. It helped me brainstorm faster. Write outlines instantly. Polish copy with fewer drafts. I was finishing projects in half the time. Then I found 11 labs for voiceovers. Pictory for auto-editing videos. Canva for fast thumbnails. Suddenly, I could do the work of a 3-person team. Clients noticed. My delivery time dropped from days to hours. My freelance value skyrocketed. I stopped fearing AI. I started charging with it. And that's when I had a crazy idea. What if I stopped freelancing? And built something bigger? What if I turned this into a system? What if I scaled? Using AI? Chapter 2, AI fueled freelancing. At first, I didn't change much. Just raised my prices. Clients paid for results, not time. And AI gave me speed, without sacrificing quality. I wrote video scripts in 15 minutes using ChatGPT. Generated voices in 11 labs with one click. Built full explainer videos in Pictory. I started offering video packages. Script plus voice plus video plus thumbnail equals one complete product. Clients were blown away. I could deliver 10x faster than traditional freelancers. I built a simple portfolio. Sent cold emails. Posted on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit. The demand was insane. Within 2 months, I was booked out. Then I hired someone to manage emails. Then a VA to organize client assets. I wasn't just freelancing anymore. I was building a micro agency. One powered by AI. Chapter 3, Turning IT into an agency. I gave my agency a name. Built a basic landing page. AI-powered video content. Done for you. That was the pitch. No team of editors. No voice actors. No writers. Just me, my prompts, and a few smart tools. I started productizing services. $300 for a 60-second explainer. $600 for a YouTube video package. $1,500 per month for 4 videos monthly. The margins were insane. My cost was a few subscriptions. And time. My delivery time? Lightning fast. I hired a second Virginia. Trained them on my workflow. Now they were running scripts through ChatGPT. I taught them basic Canva and Pictory. I was managing, not doing. I stepped back. And the business kept running. That was the first time I felt truly free. And then came automation. Chapter 4, Scaling with Automation. I asked myself, what if I could automate the agency itself? No human editing. No manual delivery. Just input AI output. I built templates in Google Sheets. Created pre-written prompt packs. Used Zapier to auto-send files between tools. My VAs triggered workflows, not tasks. I batch scheduled content. Built content pipelines for clients. Monday, generate scripts. Tuesday, voiceover plus edit. Wednesday, review plus deliver. I even taught my AI assistant to handle email replies. Clients thought I had a full team. It was just me. And code. Then came the income explosion. Chapter 5, Income Streams Unlocked. With AI doing the heavy lifting, I explored other income streams. I built a YouTube automation channel. Scripted and voiced by AI. I monetized through AdSense and affiliate links. I launched a Notion template pack for creators. Promoted it in my videos. It sold while I slept. I turned my agency SOPs into a paid course. How to start an AI-powered video business. Posted it on Gumroad. Then I offered consulting. Other freelancers wanted to learn my method. 1-hour calls. $150 each. Booked out for weeks. I created an income stack. Freelance agency automation products, consulting, all built with AI. All running 90% without me. Chapter 6, My Income Chart. Month 1, $800. Month 2, $2,300. Month 3, $4,100. Month 4, $6,800. Month 5, $9,200. Month 6, $12,500. By month 8, I passed $20,000 in monthly revenue. Most of that was profit. I kept expenses low. Tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, 11 Labs, all under $100 per month. I didn't need offices. Didn't need employees. Just systems. And AI. That chart, from fear to freedom, changed everything for me. Chapter 7, Closing Thoughts plus CTA. I'd started this journey scared. Afraid AI would take my job. And it kind of did. But it gave me something better. A business. An opportunity. A way to do more with less. And a life with more freedom than I ever imagined. AI isn't the enemy. It's the engine. You just need to learn how to drive it. And you don't have to do it alone. Subscribe for more content on AI, automation, and digital freedom. Drop a comment if you want help building your own AI-powered system. And remember, you won't be replaced by AI. You'll be replaced by someone using AI. So start using it. Like your income depends on it. Because mine does. And it's never been better. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing. See you in the next video.